Okay, so my brother-in-law's 85-inch TV stopped working. I think it's the power supply, so I'm going to pull this thing apart. It's a Sharp 80-inch TV, and we're going to pull out the power supply. So I'm taking all these screws that are around the outside that have the little arrow next to them. I'm going to take them all out, and then we're going to pull off the back, and then we're going to see where the power supply is. It's right here, but we have to get behind it. The cat seems to want to help. Okay, while we're in here, these bottom ones right here, not this one, but so far this one and this one are longer than the other ones. They all seem to be the same length, the other ones. Okay, so these screws are different right here up the middle. They're a different screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over here, these two are different, and probably these ones across the bottom. So let's see how that goes.
So where's the power supply?
So this looks like the whole power supply here. That's why it looks like it's an expensive piece, because it's larger than it looks like.
This is a whole power supply?
Yeah. So we're just going to pull it out and we're going to smell it, because it's going to smell bad. I know it is. So when putting the new board in, you don't really have to take this whole thing apart. You just put this in here, and they're the silver screws. So there's 6 of them. Do not try and lift this yourself.
Sure, I'll find it, bud.
And just like that, the TV works again. All you gotta do is replace your power supply board, which is conveniently located on eBay.